Westchester, this week, let's look at exactly what happened so you can make a decision for yourself. I'm going to share the screen right now. And as you can see, here's our area, Westchester. So we can look at a total of 7 properties sold. And these are the areas. So you can see a couple more clustered here, less in University Park this time, 1 in Westwood Lakes, and 2 in Olympia Heights. So we can look at that. Now, when we look at these statistics, this is a sale price. So the range was between 500,000 on the low end for a 3-1 to 715,000 for a 4-3. This is the total square footage. This is what they were asking for. The year built, so you can see that the newest home that was sold was from 1980 with a 10,000 square foot lot, and it took 54 days to sell. So these are the homes that sold this week. And you can see how long it took for the homes to sell. The more expensive, the longer it's going to take. That's generally the rule. And the cheaper, which in our case, under 600,000, the quicker these homes are selling. So we can take a look at that. Now, if you grab the statistics and you look at the median or the average, you can see that it pulls up. The average home was a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with 1,700 square feet. They were asking for 611 and they received 603,000, which puts the price per square foot a little bit lower than normal in our area at $357 and 16 days for these homes to sell. So we're seeing that they're getting 99% of what they're asking to what they're actually selling the home for. In terms of, so this is the sold side. In terms of the new, you can look, there's 8 new properties. And we're going to look at these same statistics. One of them should be blank, which is the sales price. And I like to organize it. So you can see that the cheapest home that's going for sale this week, 655,000, and it goes all the way to 1.5 million. We can see the years here. So I can already kind of tell that homes in the 50s and 60s are typically not larger. That's what they were built. Some of them have garages, like this is one of the only ones that have a garage. So, and it's been on the market for 1 day. So the way that we look at this is that I like to look at the areas to see if there's a specific area where we're seeing more properties for sale. In University Park, remember, there weren't a lot of sold homes, but there are more homes for sale. In Westchester, we see 3 about the same. Olympia Heights is dead. There's nothing new for sale. So this area, typically when someone buys here, they stay there until basically retirement or death, because this area has very low turnover rate. It's almost like a 2%. Here, these homes sell quicker. You can see that there's more movement. It's just a different style. Same thing with Westchester, not as much. University Park, yes. And University Park has new construction going on as well. So that's it for this update. And just so you see the other statistics, so we had 8 new properties for sale. 1 went back on the market. 5 had price decreases. We saw 2 signed contracts plus the 2 pending, so a total of 6 signed contracts. 7 homes sold. 2 were canceled, 3 were withdrawn, and 1 expired. So we're talking about 6 properties that were removed off the market. So you can kind of get a good Photoshop of this. If you look at it week over week with me, you're really going to be able to tell what a home in Westchester is worth and what it should sell for.